Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like a Q&A and girl talk video because I asked on my community tab for you guys to ask me some questions you guys have about me, and unfortunately that didn't go well. Only one person asked me a question, but they asked me two questions. So I'm just gonna answer those two questions first, and then after we're gonna like do a girl talk, because if I only answer those two questions, this video is gonna be very short. So I just thought, why not add a girl talk video to it? Because I was thinking of doing a girl talk video in a completely new video, but I just thought, let's just add it on. So it's gonna be like a Q&A and girl talk, you know? So the first question they asked is, what's your favorite thing about doing YouTube? And that's like a kind of hard question for me. I don't know, like, I feel like there's so many things I like about doing YouTube, but number one would probably be like people actually watch my videos and care about like how I feel and care about like they actually watch my videos and they care about like how I'm doing. Like they actually like subscribe to my channel and stuff. Like, cause I just reached 40 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. And it just makes me feel so grateful that some people out there like to watch my videos and like my content enough to subscribe. So it just makes me feel like very grateful and blessed. And another thing is that it's kind of like life sometimes is like boring, like realistically. So making videos is kind of like just recording all the fun parts about your videos, and like also I can like look back into my videos and see like what I used to do. Like I feel like it's kind of like an online journal for me. So yeah, those are probably my two main reasons. I would just say like I like having the fact that knowing that someone, at least one person out there, is watching my videos and likes my content. And then number two is just like it's nice to look back on, you know. So, and then the next question is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. It's been pink for a very long time. I like light pink, but kind of like any type of pink is okay. I feel like pink is such a girly color and like it's just kind of cute, you know. But I don't mind it. When I was younger, it used to be pink and purple, but now it's kind of like pink and blue and light blue. I don't know, my favorite color kind of changes, but right now it's pink. Okay, so that's all the questions they asked. But you guys, if like you have more questions for me, the post is still up, so you can ask like questions you have. If you didn't know that I posted on my community post, you can go to my community post and ask me questions if you have them, and I can answer them either in another video or in a YouTube short. You guys can tell me which one. So yeah, if you still have questions for me, because I saw that most people like who watch my videos don't really view my community post. You guys should check my community post, because like I post like announcements like when I'm updating if a video is gonna be late or like everything. So y'all should like check that out. Anyway, so now we're going to the girl talk, like the girl talk section. Okay, so for girl talk, someone sent me a message. Okay, for girl talk, I feel like there's a lot of things in this category to talk about, but first I'm going to talk about confidence, because that's something that like I feel like a lot of people ask about, even though no one asked me about this. I feel like confidence like something that a lot of people ask. And also, if you're wondering, if you hear like a beeping noise, just ignore that. I don't know what is going on. There's like some random beeping noise here, so yeah, if you hear that, just ignore it. I'm gonna try my best to like cancel it out, but if you still like hear noise, just ignore it, please. Thank you. So for confidence, I feel like I'm not the best person to ask, can't lie, but I'll tell you what I think of confidence. I feel like confidence is something you make out of it. Like it's like kind of like a mindset. Like even if you're not that confident or you're kind of shy, like my best advice is probably like fake it till you make it. I don't know, I feel like everyone says that, but for me, I'm not confident, but I kind of like fake that I'm confident, and it will come naturally, because when I was around in like 6th grade, I wasn't that confident, but then I just kept acting like I was, and then it kind of like came to me. I kind of became more confident and more like proud of myself, you know. So like even if you're not like completely confident, don't show people that you're not confident, because like if you show people that you're like not confident, they will kind of like pick on you or like be mean to you because of that. So just like try and act confident, and always like be positive. Don't be telling yourself that you're ugly. Tell yourself that you're loved, that you're brilliant, you're smart, and just have like on my wall, there's just in front of me, there's all these like posters that say I'm loved, I am blessed, I am grateful, all these like positive posters. I just got them off Pinterest and I printed it off my dad's printer. So like if you really need that, you can just put those posters, and those remind me that like I'm loved. Okay guys, I'm back. The noise was like really bad, like it was so loud, so I just had to stop. But I'm back. Anyways, the next category I want to talk about is hygiene. I already did a hygiene routine. That was like the latest video I posted just before this one. So if you haven't watched that one, go and watch it. But like I just showed you guys what I use in my hygiene routine. I didn't really give you guys like tips. So if you want tips, like just keep watching. So basically, number one, I would say use a good deodorant. Like find a deodorant that works for you and that is strong for you, that like is strong and stays on. Like don't, like if you have to get men's deodorant, because some of the deodorants don't last that long, and they don't like completely remove the sweat. So just like try and find a good deodorant. One deodorant that I do recommend is the Sheer Motion Sense Invisible Aqua 0% alcohol antiperspirant deodorant. This one is really good. It smells very fresh and it just works. And it's like very like cool. It doesn't smell like anything too like perfume like. It's just like a good base, so you can add perfume onto it. So just get a good deodorant. That's number one. But also don't rely on deodorant. Actually shower, use your body wash, your body scrub, and just shower. Clean all your body. And you don't necessarily have to use a scented body wash. I don't use a scented body wash. I use an unscented body wash. But just wash your body. Wash under your armpits. Wash everywhere. Like, do not leave any place out. Don't just go in there, rinse your body, and get out. Wash your body, like, properly. Because even if you put deodorant, perfume, scented body lotion, all of that, you're not going to smell good if you didn't shower properly. So showering is probably, like, the key stage. So just shower properly. And then you can start putting on deodorant, perfume, lotion, etc. So just have a good shower routine. If you want to know what my shower routine is, that's in my hygiene video. And I'll link it. The link will be in the description down below, so you guys can go watch it. And I show you guys what I do to smell good. But just, like, shower properly. My tips are, like, shower properly. Don't really, like, repeat clothes. Like, if you, like, went to the gym with like a top, do not repeat that top because it's going to be smelling of sweat. So wash it and then you can wear it again. So like don't really repeat clothes. Like I understand if it's like not sweaty or it smells okay, then maybe. But if you just went to the gym and you use a top and it's clearly sweaty, do not just be lazy and put it on the next day. Just wash it, because trust me, you're not going to smell good, even if you use deodorant, perfume, all those things. So the thing is just, like, shower good. Just take care of your hygiene and, like, yeah. That's all I have to say for hygiene. And the next thing I want to talk about, I'm not sure, is friends. Okay. So friends is kind of, like, obviously, like, all I want to talk about is, like, how to, like, dealing with kind of, like, fake friends. Because in middle school and high school, I'm not sure about high school, but for middle school, there are a lot of people that will be, like, fake, and they will, like, tell you this, but they act a different way. So how to deal with that is, like, don't put up with fake friends. Like, if someone's being fake to you, stand your ground and make it clear that you don't want to be friends with them. Even if you don't want to tell them, oh, hey, you're being mean, I don't want to be friends with you, you can just distance yourself. Don't be overly nice to people that don't even care about you or don't treat you good. Because I feel like when people are being fake to you, like, if you show them, like, that you're not going to tolerate, like, what they're doing to you, they'll kind of, like, I don't know, they might not necessarily change, but, like, you can get out of that situation. But if you're just dealing with them, like, constantly picking on you, being mean to you, all of that stuff, they're not treating you like how a good friend would treat you, and you just keep on putting up with that, they'll just keep doing it. Because I tell you, like, fake friends like those, they won't stop until you show them that you're not okay with how you're treating them. So, like, if someone is being in a toxic, if your friend is fake, just don't put up with it. Just let that person go, because that person is not right for you, clearly, and they're not showing that they genuinely want to be your friend. They're just like using you for something. So yeah. And how to know if your friend is fake. I feel like how to know if your friend is fake. People keep on sending me messages. Okay. So how to know if your friend is fake is like, go with what they're showing you, because you can kind of tell when your friend is fake, because like the way they act, like obviously they're not going to be nice, and if you tell them about your success and they don't seem happy for you, you have to run, because that friend is either jealous of you or just is just fake. Because like if you tell them, oh, I just won this, oh my god, I just won a gold medal in like soccer, and they're like, oh, that's nice, then they're jealous of you, because like they don't want you to have success. They want to be the only one having success. So you can just slowly start distancing yourself and find other friends, because there's going to be like some real friends and some fake friends. Obviously fake friends are normally more than real friends, but try and find those friends that love you for you and don't change when different people come. So just like go with what they're showing you. I feel like it's kind of easy to spot a fake friend, because like they just show that they don't care about you, and whenever you're in a fight or you get in trouble, they leave you. But a real friend would stick with you forever. Like, well, obviously not forever, but would stick with you through the bad times and the good times. So I feel like just go with what they're showing you. And even if you're not like, you really don't want to like go and tell them, hey, I don't want to be your friend, just distance yourself, because when you distance yourself from other people, they kind of like get the memo that, oh, they don't really want to be friends with me. Okay, so just like slowly distance yourself away from them. So yeah, that's all I have to say. People keep messaging me, oh my god. That's all I have to say about that. I don't know what else I should talk about, but if you guys have more ideas, just comment them down below. And if you liked this video, comment down below the pink heart emoji. And I'll see you guys in the next video.